This tutorial was done on a Windows operating system with PowerPoint version 2013, but this tutorial can also apply to other versions of PowerPoint and other operating systems such as Mac. Okay, so first you're going to want to open up PowerPoint. And here you want to choose a theme. I'm going to choose Ion. Click Create. And this is the title page. Here you want to name your PowerPoint. In this case, I'm going to name it CSU East Bay. On the bottom here, you're going to want to type your group's name. I'm going to type Real Product Freedom. Once you have the title page complete, you're going to want to go up here to New Slide and click it. This will be your first slide. I'm going to type Majors. Here I'm going to type the different majors that CSU East Bay has to offer. Once you have all the text complete, you're going to want to spice up your PowerPoint presentation by adding some images. To do this, minimize your PowerPoint window and open up your web browser. Now go to images.google.com and hit enter. Once you are on Google Images, you're going to want to look up images that are relevant to your PowerPoint. In this case, I'm going to look up CSU East Bay. Scroll through all the images until you find the desired one. I'm going to choose this very nice logo. Once you're on here, you're going to want to put your web browser window and your PowerPoint window side by side. And you're going to click and drag the image out to your desktop. Once you have dragged your image into PowerPoint, maximize your PowerPoint window again. If you want to resize your image, you can hover over the dot on the corner and click and hold it and drag it to your desired size.
And so once you finish your informational slides, you're going to want to head on over and make a closing slide. Okay, so another way to make a new slide is by heading on over to your current slide, clicking on it, and then hitting enter. Alright, so this is going to be your closing slide. You should thank your audience for being a good audience. Then you should head on over and ask them if they have any questions about your presentations. So once you're done with your title slide, informational slides, and closing slide, you're going to want to add some transitions to entertain your audience. First, you're going to want to select a slide that you want the transition to apply to. In this case, slide 2. Then you go to the top and click the Transitions tab. Alright, from here you have a list of transitions. Choose the one you like best. In this case, I'm going to choose Fade. Alright, so now we're going to move on to animations. So to do that, head on over to the top, hit Animations, go down, and highlight the text you want animated. So in this case, I want computer science to be animated. Alright, so after you highlighted the text, choose one of the animation options from the list. In this case, I want to choose Float In. So yeah, right there, that just showed us how it's going to look when we're presenting it. Alright, so that's it for animation. You can also animate pictures. If you want to animate images, just click on the image and hit the animation you want to make. I want to choose Fly In. Alright, so as you can see, these numbers right here represent the order in which it's going to be presented by.
Once you have everything complete, you're going to want to check your work. To do this, you're going to head up to the Slideshow tab, and then you're going to choose from beginning. To navigate, you want to use the arrow keys on your keyboard. Alternatively, you can use the spacebar. As you can see, this presentation looks very, very nice. But notice that nursing comes up first. This is because we did not add an animation to nursing. Any text that does not have an animation will come up before any other animated text. Alright, now we're going to show you how to save your PowerPoint presentation. To save it, you're going to want to go to File and Save As. Choose the location where you want to save it. I'm going to choose Desktop. Name your presentation. I'm going to name it CSU East Bay. Now, this is very, very important. Make sure that you save it in PowerPoint 97 to 2003. This will save it in the PPT format instead of the PPTX format. This will maximize the compatibility of your PowerPoint presentation because some computers cannot read PPTX files. Now hit save. As you can see, the PowerPoint presentation is saved to my desktop.